Hello everyone and welcome to a special show where we're going to introduce to you Designer's Choice number 10 Moments in Time My Memory Book die set. Now if you haven't joined us for Designer's Choice before, it's an exclusive limited edition die available every month from Tonic Studios, and it sort of distills the best of a whole collection into one set containing everything you need to create some awesome projects. Alison's with me here and we're going to show you the die set in action, and we're also going to show you some of the inspiration as well. So that's what you got to look forward to. So Alison, if you're ready, tell us a little bit more about this die set.
Okie dokie. If you're a seasoned memory book maker, this is going to be a lovely addition to your memory books. If you're new to memory books, this is going to be a good starter point as well. You know, it's a little die set. Everything you need to create the memory book is in that die set. So let's show you the die set, is that? When I show you the samples we've got in, it's going to be a So this is the die set as it comes to you. Maybe looks a little bit strange, but we'll go through it all now and explain everything in it. So basically there are two different shape pages for your books or front covers. So let me show you those. So these are our shapes. So we've got a big scallop and then we've got a fluted edge. So then we go down in layers. So we have a smaller scallop. Let me just show you the top down. I think that'll be easier. So we have the scallop, then we have a smaller scallop leading to smaller dies. So as I show you the samples that we've got, all this is going to make sense. Everything goes down in size. And we've got the other shape then that again goes down in size. So we've got a little die here. One side is a cut, one side is a score. That can be important to remember. So maybe you need to put a little pen mark on which side is your cut edge, because otherwise you could be cutting your pages a little bit short. We've got the reinforcement rings to go on the side if you want to put binding on them. With rings or ribbons, it protects your cards as well. So moving on then, we've got the little tabs. So the one says pull me, but you've also got a plain little shape that you can lay on top that you can write anything on. You've also got a small little flower tab to pull as well. And we've got moments in time. Let me turn that around and you can see it properly. Moments in time is your wording for this. And I think that's a lovely wording for any memory book, because a memory book is a moment in time.
It's a lovely, like, ornate, so the sentiment itself is a lovely ornate sort of sentiment there.
It is, it is.
And you've got, and the thing you can see already, so I think there's 19 dies in total in there. It's a compact set. So when you saw it there, it's compact, but it's so expansive in what you can do. So it's like, all of those are the essentials that you've got in there, and you can see on that demo board there with Alison, but it's, the variety and stuff that you can create is so wide with such a sort of compact looking set. You've got loads and loads of this to use. 4
of these dies, so 2 with each pattern, don't have a cut edge on this end. So when you cut it, you can make your pages as long or as short as you want. And again, your projects can be as long or as short as you want. So all these shape dies here, there is no cut edge.
And at a glance, so when you saw Alison, like, first up with that inspiration, all those books have been created entirely with this set.
No,
so that's what they've used to create the set here. So if you're brand new and you don't even know what a memory book is at all, I'm going to show you in a moment some of those designs and the inspiration there, and everything you need to create these, aside from some of the papers, are going to be in that die set for you. So you get your sentiments, all that stuff is in there. So from the go, and there's going to be demonstrations as well to show you exactly how to put it together. So it's pretty much got you covered from the moment it arrives through your door. You're sorted. All right.
All these demonstrations will be on the website, on the YouTube channel. You can find all these demonstrations because all our design team that have made them will have done a little video.
Yeah.
So check out the YouTube channel and then you can see how you make each one. So these, we've got little corners, little decorations, everything to finish off your books as well. So we'll make a start. This is your first little one. So this is a small book. We've laced it all here. I think this is, maybe Shilpa. I'm kind of looking at the style and thinking it's possibly Shilpa. So she's laced all the spines, she's used the reinforcements, she's used the little decorations on the front, but again brought in your own decorations. You've got your ribbon pearls, you've got your ribbons, you've got your twines, everything like that can be brought into these. So there's a little magnet inside here and it's just catching. She's opened it up here. She's made, let me just lay it down flat. No, this is just a lift panel. I thought it was something to come out then. I better not pull too hard. And then she's done a little pocket with another little tag inside. So that she's used the panels here to make little decorations as well that you can put messages on, little photograph in the middle.
And that's it. Like, so, like memory books or these type of projects, they're to explore. You know, like so okay, you'll know where everything is when in your memory book because you made it. But when someone opens it up, you're exploring it. Like those old books probably you'd have as a kid where you had like little flaps, like things to open, little pulley bits. It's like you create the mystery that's inside there and you explore that. And it's like, I'm not sure in papercraft there's many cards or projects which you
possibly a couple of the kinetic cards have a pull me or a lift or something like that.
So that's it, like something to explore and there's a whole sort of, I don't know, activity-based thing when you're part of it. So yeah.
I mean, this could be books for your children.
Yeah.
To learn different things, different textures in them. You know, lift and put a different texture. You know, like a bubble wrap or mirror, something like that. Lots of little things that you can add. You know, like the artificial grass. Little things you've got around the house now can be added into these.
So you could do like a little colour, you know, all the different colours and things like that, colour book in there or things like that. You can do lots. It's like so much with them because it's up to you what you do. Blank canvas inside.
Exactly. So this is our first little book and I thought this was a lovely one to start with because it's not too big. And if memory books scare you, because they can be a very big project, this is a nice starting point. But this could also be a card as well. You know, your pocket could be your little credit card, I was going to say, store card that you've popped inside their gift card, that's what I mean. That could be a gift card, you've got little messages, maybe a couple of little photos, and that's your greeting card. And that may be as far as you want to take this set, but that's a beautiful little card. We've got another one here that is a card. It opens up, lovely little gatefold card. This could be your wedding invitation. Your wedding there. You could have little pockets where you've got your wedding list, your directions to the wedding, hotels that you've got to stay in. It could be a little compact invitation for you.
And that's you switch out that sentiment then, you know, if you're bound to have like a load of sentiments. If you've had our kits before or other designers' choices or you've got weddings like sentiments, you just place that in the centre then.
So this has gone a little bit bigger. I'm trying to ease you in gently here. So we've taken the layers again here. We've just offset them. So we've got a little layer there. And we've used the corners for decoration. There is a little magnet inside because it's catching a little bit. And this is your traditional memory book, I would say, where you've got your little tags inside to pull out. You've got your pages that you can put your messages in, your photos in. Your little pulley goes in there. Then you open again. Oh, you can hear that crack there. There's another little tag in here, so you pull that out. I mean, I'm exploring these. This is the first time I've opened some of these, so I'm getting a bit excited too. So you've got your layers. Even though the ones that haven't got a cut edge on them, cut them to make layers for the other dies. Again, our little pulleys. So here, that's stuck down, but that could be a little pocket. Hang on, I'm sure this opened. Yeah, there we are. Little pocket there. That's
it. So you're discovering, as you've seen with Ali there, you're discovering
those
as you go through.
You imagine you've given this now to, you know what it's like when our family members get to that certain age where they don't want anything, they've got everything they want. These are things that they are going to treasure and they are going to look at time and time again. And they are going to enjoy and explore these. So there's the little, I'm picking up the dies with the magnets. There's a little bigger book. This is another one where I've used rings. I think, oh, that's Vicky's done that one. I've put some rings in to make it easier. So each page is an individual page and you've just threaded them with ribbon and rings and then tied some pretty ribbons on the side. So use your corners as you're decorating items. Open them up. So all these are different sizes that I've cut them as different sizes because they can be as long or as short as you choose. We've got little pulleys that come out. Again, little lifting tabs. These will all just flip back. So you put your messages again. Pull me. That's another page. That is one page. That's a plain page where I was going to put a photograph. Again, we've got some smaller ones again. Little pockets. Another little pocket. But again, that's one page. And you've got lots of interaction on that one page. And then we've got the cover that you can put a message on the back. You can put a nice little photograph there. So I'm showing you lots of ideas that you can use with it.
And that's it, all the stuff, like we said earlier, don't be intimidated by any of the things that you see in here because there's easy to follow tutorials which are going to help you every step. So it's not like, it's not like you buy the set and then you're going to be left wondering. All the tutorials and stuff is there, and as you said, the design team are awesome and they're going to have tutorials and introductions to them all of their own. So your favourite crafters are there to help you along as well.
This was a little box I wanted to make because, as I say, you can make these side pieces as long or as short as you choose. Your width is more or less set because that is the width of your die. But the length, I've cut 2 side pieces and overlapped the bottom. So there's only 2 sides, and then I've made a little box to fit inside. And I wanted to make some easier cards, some quick, simple cards that we can send. Everything is from this kit other than the sentiment and a bit of ribbon. So it's 2 simple cards I've done. I've used the corners as butterflies. And you could give a little box of cards to someone as a lovely little gift. So that's that one. What else have we got? We've got another little book here. So use your papers. I mean, your papers will fit in beautifully here. So we've got lots of little tags. Look at the little bunny rabbits. Little hearts that we've got. Use your different shapes.
Who is that one?
This is Shilpa.
Shilpa.
This is Shilpa. It looks very Edwardian lady, this does. I think that's what the papers are. So she's popped little tags in, little notebooks. There could be hidden messages. Or again, another little photo. Or you could be hiding a lock of hair or something in there.
You can get like pictures sized whatever you want these days.
Exactly.
So it's like you
choose.
Perfect. You can get like a mini album. Before you would have been probably limited to photo booths or other little mini bits, but with this you just do whatever you want. What
she's done with this one, she's kind of brought it in. So like I said, there was no cut edge on the bottom, and she's made it as a lift panel. So that's another good idea. And then you've got a hidden little photograph in there. So I'm just loving all these little ideas here. And again, little pockets, little lift panels, lots and lots to do, absolutely gorgeous. So that's another one. Then we've got some little cards just using the shapes. I mean, I think if this was done in deeper colours, that would almost look like a compass to me. That's what that reminds me of. And these are the corner dies lapped over each other. Really, really pretty. And then these are Christine's. Christine's made little circles then with the corners. So look at your dies and what you can see in them as well. And then we've got some more little books. Now these are cut straight at the bottom and folded over. So each of those pages has got a fold and glued into the spine. So another little way, fold the top down on your die to make a little pocket. Then we've got more little tags in there, and we've got the little flower tag on the top, and it almost says pull me. You've got a long little tag in there that you can pop a list on, things that have happened in a day, things to do. It could be your to-do list as well. Could be a little book in your bag. And then we've got, I'm not sure who made these, you're gonna have to come back to me. But I love opening all the ribbons and pretties. We pop the ribbon out, and then we've got a little credit card holder in this one. So again, like I was saying about making a pocket, this is a folded piece of card, and you've just cut a little slit in the middle to pop your credit card in.
That's
so
cool. That's cool.
beautiful.
I haven't seen that before.
Hoping you can see that. I'm not sure who made it.
I don't know. I know
I haven't got a name.
From Claire, and we had something from Ruth. I'm not sure. There's quite a few of the ladies who sent stuff in.
Right.
Or we got to tell our own girls to put their name on it. I think they want
I know, because I do get a little bit confused. Right, what else have I got to show you?
Yeah. I'm
all a bit excited, you. So again, this is Christine as well. I know Christine's style because she likes her
the
dynamo tapes.
Are they label maker things?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, she's got lots of little pockets inside with pull me on them. She's gone over these. I think it may be an Aquaflow she's gone over them with. Use them for use these little books. You know when you test colours, or you test your stencils or your product, have a little product book where you've got all your mousses in one, you've got all your glacier pastes in another one, your crystal drops. Test where your colours match.
You can put a note underneath. So say you create a beautiful background you're really proud of. You can note how you created that on there, the ingredients that you use, because we stuff like shimmer powders and things like that. You might not remember how you even created that design.
Exactly.
So you put a little bit of a pen mark, something like that, letting yourself know, and you're good.
There we are. This one says, today is a good day to be happy, and it certainly is. So this is Christine, and she loves doing Nouveau techniques. So she's brought all our Nouveau techniques into this. Lovely little bit of, I think that is mousse on there. Could be wrong, but it looks like the mousse. And then she's brought her aqua shimmers and everything. It's absolutely gorgeous, and they've all got a little tag. They don't have to be put on straight either. They can put it in at an angle. And then when you look at them at the top, oops, let me pop that in properly. When I close it, you'll see all these little tags come out at angles.
That's cool.
It is really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there we are. See, there's all the tags at the top, all at a little angle, quirky little angles. Christine loves a little bit of quirk anyway.
A bit of quirk in it.
So that's that one. What else have I got to show you? Oh, then I thought I would make a little bag.
It wouldn't be Tonic if you didn't make a bag.
Pretty
much every dye we've ever done makes a bag in some way.
Exactly. So I've used our magnets underneath to open the little bag. Let's just pop that up. And it's fairly substantial. I'm hoping you can see from the top down. But I've made a small little box at the bottom. And again, as I did with the box, I've cut the lengths to wrap around the box, and that made the sides, and then layered it up then with the other dies. So there are lots of ways that you can take all these different dies. Have I shown you everything?
I think you've shown everything. Yeah.
I don't want to miss out on anything at all with this set. Because, when you look at the die set, it's a small die set, but your imagination will take you so far. And I know your books and your projects are going to be a lot more than we've created you. Thank you to the design team, because they've really done an awesome job.
That's it. So there's your die set. So as you see, a small die set that you can create some big ideas with. Yeah, so it's really, really cool. That's Designer's Choice number 10, Moments in Time, My Memory book. It's available now, and as I said earlier, it's a limited edition and it's exclusive to the Tonic Studio store. You're not going to find this anywhere else, this die set. So it's sold out in previous months, and the Designer's Choice that we release every month. So get in there early. If you're watching this now, what are you waiting for? Go on there and find it on the website. But thank you everyone for watching today. Go check out this die set. As you can see, there's so much you can do with it. But until next time, see you all soon. Bye bye.